Two powerful video editors. But which one truly shapes your story in 2025? On the left, DaVinci Resolve, Hollywood-level power, unlimited creative precision. On the right, CapCut, social-ready, quick creation on any device. Let's skip the buzzwords and get hands-on with what really matters. We'll score each category, and by the end, you'll know exactly which editor stands on top. And the final verdict? It might just surprise you. All right, here's our roadmap for today. We're going to compare DaVinci Resolve and CapCut across all the big categories that matter: target user, platform and accessibility, ease of use, editing features, color grading, AI and effects, audio editing, social media integration, price and value, and finally, collaboration. I'll drop my honest thoughts along the way, maybe some hot takes too. You ready? So let's kick off with the type of person each tool is made for. Target user. DaVinci Resolve is kind of a dream for professional editors, filmmakers, agencies, even serious hobbyists who want that film look. But if you're just dabbling or want super quick edits, the learning curve here is pretty steep. CapCut, on the other hand, this one's built for content creators, social media managers, and beginners. Like, if you want results fast without reading a manual, CapCut's your guy. Downside is, it's not really cut out for advanced productions, or anyone making a feature film, let's be real. So, both have their crowd. Honestly, it's a tie. Now, what about platform and accessibility? DaVinci Resolve runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, so you're pretty flexible, but you'll need a solid computer. And yeah, you gotta download it. At least the free version is legit feature-packed. Switching gears, CapCut is wild. There's web, iOS, Android, even desktop. So you can hop in literally anywhere you want, no matter what device. It's also cloud-based, so works on a potato, basically. Only snag? It's not as hot offline, and big projects might make your phone sweat. For sheer accessibility, CapCut takes the win here. Ease of use is next. Okay, DaVinci Resolve is super intuitive if you're a seasoned editor. It splits up everything, edit, color, audio, so workflows are clear. But for newbies, oh my gosh, it can feel like piloting a spaceship. CapCut? It's drag and drop, ready-made templates, AI tools. You can pretty much get started in minutes. Sure, feature depth is basic if you want full control, but for most people, it's just plain easy. CapCut definitely wins here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know DaVinci Resolve was the secret sauce behind the color of countless Oscar-winning films? And CapCut, it helps millions of viral TikTok edits every single day. Just wild, right? All right, editing features. Now we're getting spicy. DaVinci Resolve is insane. Multi-track timeline, node-based compositing with fusion, detailed effects. It's like unlimited if you know your stuff. You do need to set up templates yourself, but honestly, pro editors live for that. Meanwhile, CapCut has a huge library of transitions and cool trendy effects. Seriously, TikTok dreams. But once you try multi-track editing, it's kinda clunky. And forget about mega complex edits. So, for raw editing muscle, DaVinci Resolve easily scores the win. Let's talk color grading, because this is where DaVinci Resolve just shows off. If you want those Oscar-winning tones, node-based grading, even RAW and HDR support, this is industry gold. Beginners might get lost in the sauce, though. CapCut does offer basic grading, like HSL, color wheels, enough for snappy social videos, but not anywhere close to Hollywood level. DaVinci Resolve wins by a mile. AI and effects. This one's fun. DaVinci Resolve gives you serious manual controls for effects, and a few AI features, but heads up, most are in the studio version. CapCut leans all in. Auto cut, auto captions, quick background delete, trending templates and music. It's basically the TikTok wizard. Customization is limited compared to DaVinci, and some things need you online, but for pure AI ease, CapCut wins. Audio editing time. DaVinci Resolve has the Fairlight audio suite right inside. Advanced mixing, noise reduction. It's way more than just cutting tracks. But yeah, if you're brand new, Fairlight can be overwhelming. CapCut keeps it super simple. Just volume and fade, drop in music, you're done. But the audio waveforms are tiny, it's hard to see details, and multi-track editing is a no-go. So DaVinci Resolve gets the win for audio, hands down. How do these two handle social media integration? DaVinci can export in any format you want, sure, but there's no templates or direct one-click uploads for TikTok or Instagram. CapCut? Oh man, it is built for this. You've got direct exports for Reels, Shorts, TikTok, and all the vertical formats. Trending music, licensing, just blast your video straight onto the platform. Only hitch? If you ever want to make a classic horizontal or long video, it's not the best. CapCut clearly wins for social sharing. All right, price and value. Here's some good news. Both are super accessible in 2025. DaVinci Resolve has a monster free version, and if you need advanced stuff, there's a one-time upgrade, not a subscription. CapCut is totally free, unless you want mega cloud features or business stuff. Then you'll pay a little monthly. With both, you're getting crazy value for the price, so I'm calling this one a tie. And lastly, collaboration. DaVinci Resolve Studio lets you and your whole team edit the same project at the same time. Kind of amazing. Project management is pro level too. Some of that is locked in Studio, of course. CapCut is made more for simple sharing and storyboarding. Good enough for quick collabs, but it's not designed for complex production teams. So DaVinci Resolve wins here. Let's zoom out and look at their strengths across all categories. DaVinci Resolve dominates whenever you want pro-level editing, color, audio, and team collaboration. CapCut is the king of social-ready, quick, and AI-powered creation. Whichever way you lean, you get a powerhouse for its intended user. So, you know what? If you're dreaming of making cinematic, high-fidelity, or long-form projects with total creative control in 2025, DaVinci Resolve is your best friend. But if you want to bang out quick, viral, mobile-friendly videos with a sprinkle of AI magic and barely any hassle, CapCut is the way to go. Curious which editor matches your workflow? Both DaVinci Resolve and CapCut are free to try. So unlock your creativity today. And seriously, let me know which one works for you.